I got him gassing up the yacht so we can drink under the stars. I never thought I'd get this far. Grab the jet and entourage.
Put in them late nights just to get up early, so my team don't ever have to worry. I told my mama it's okay, buy it all, cause you can't take it with you when you gone. Whoa.
They don't know what it took to get here. They don't know the things that I dealt with. Yes, I had to learn all my lessons so that you can live off my blessings. You don't know what it took to get here. All this here could be gone tomorrow. All you see are half-empty bottles.
I'm thanking God though.
So just party, party on my dime. It's on me.
It looks high to you, but I'm so used to the bird's eye view, the bird's eye view.
So for the night, living life, we got enough of this money to do it twice. It looks high to you, but it's what I do.
Bird's eye view, bird's eye view.
Hey, yeah, yeah. Bottles keep coming, they won't run out. Looks like a castle, but it's just my house. Excuse me for bragging, but it took me a minute to go crazy.
They don't know what it took to get here. They don't know the things that I dealt with. Yes, I had to learn all the lessons so that you can live off my blessings. You don't know what it took to
They
get here.
don't
All this here
know,
could
they
be
don't
gone
know.
tomorrow. All you see are half-empty bottles.
I'm thanking God though. So just party, party on my dime. It's all me.
It looks high to you, but I'm so used to the bird's eye view, the bird's eye view.
So for the night, living life, we got enough of this money to do it twice. It looks high to you, but it's what I do. Bird's eye view, bird's eye view. Hey, yeah, yeah. Bottles keep coming, they won't run out. Looks like a castle, but it's just my house. So just party, party on my dime. It's all me.
It looks high to you, but I'm so used to the bird's eye view, the bird's eye
So
view.
just party, yeah, it's on me. It might look high to you, but I'm so used to the bird's eye view, the bird's eye view.
Thank you guys so much. Thank you.